Saving money doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. In fact, there are simple strategies that anyone living in America can follow to keep more cash in their pockets without giving up the things they love. Today, I'll be sharing 10 easy ways to save money that you can start using right now. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone managing a family budget, these tips can make a real difference. Create a budget and stick to it. The first step to saving money is knowing exactly where it's going. A simple monthly budget can help you track your income and expenses, making it easier to cut back on unnecessary spending. Free apps like Mint or YNAB make it super easy to stay on track. Cook at home more often. Eating out regularly in America can drain your wallet fast. By cooking at home, not only do you save money, but you also eat healthier. Try meal prepping for the week. It reduces stress, saves time, and cuts your food cost nearly in half. Cancel unused subscriptions. Most people have at least one streaming service, gym membership, or subscription they rarely use. Take a look at your bank statements and cancel the ones you don't really need. Those small monthly charges add up to hundreds of dollars a year. Shop smart with coupons and cashback apps. Before buying groceries or clothes, check for coupons or use cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey. These tools automatically apply discounts and can save you a lot of money over time without much effort. Buy in bulk for essentials. Shopping at stores like Costco or Sam's Club for everyday essentials can help you save big. Non-perishable items, household products, and toiletries are usually much cheaper when bought in bulk. Just make sure you only buy what you'll actually use. Use public transportation or carpool. Gas, insurance, and car maintenance costs can be overwhelming. Whenever possible, try using public transportation, biking, or carpooling with friends and coworkers. Not only do you save money, but it's also eco-friendly. Switch to energy-efficient habits. Small changes in your daily routine, like turning off lights when you leave a room or using energy-efficient appliances, can lower your monthly utility bills. Even unplugging electronics when not in use can make a difference. Shop secondhand. Instead of buying everything new, try shopping at thrift stores, online marketplaces, or garage sales. Clothes, furniture, and electronics can be found at a fraction of the retail price, and often in great condition. Negotiate bills and insurance. Many people don't realize that you can negotiate things like your internet bill, phone plan, or even car insurance rates. A simple phone call to your provider asking for a better deal could save you hundreds every year. Build an emergency fund. Finally, the best way to save money is to plan for unexpected expenses. Setting aside even a small amount each month in an emergency fund prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans when life throws surprises your way. So, saving money in America is all about making small, smart choices that add up over time. Start with one or two of these tips and build from there. The key is consistency and being mindful of where your money goes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little financial boost.